future of farming is changing. As climate change intensifies, droughts become more pertinent, threatening the world's food supply. The Southwest Climate Hub, which includes states like California, Arizona, and Nevada, accounts for over half of the total crop value in the United States. This region has the advantage of longer growing seasons and more harvests per year, but requires greater infrastructure and irrigation.
Precision irrigation is a means of conserving resources in water-scarce regions by using aerial data to allocate these resources to specific points. While precision irrigation solutions exist, these can be costly and difficult to operate for farmers.
Insight is an innovative approach to reducing the cost and complexity of drought monitoring and other precision irrigation methods. Our central thesis as a team is that if we make these methods more profitable, more producers will adopt them.
Insight innovates on current precision UAVs in 3 critical ways. The first is our tailless pusher canard configuration with inboard flaperons.
The second feature is a modular articulating sensor turret that enables accurate surveying with multispectral sensors. The final and most important innovation is a service-based approach designed to reduce the cost incurred by the customer.
In our mobile app, customers can check the schedule for advised dates and reserve a time.
On the day of the survey, GreenWing will deploy Insight from a mobile ground control station.
Insight will autonomously fly over the survey site while GreenWing engineers monitor critical system components.
After data has been collected, Insight will offload the survey data to a post-processing contractor specializing in data analytics. Essential agriculture variables such as evapotranspiration and soil moisture will be evaluated and reshaped to perform predictions or recommendations for the customer, which will then be uploaded to the customer's mobile app.
The value of Insight is clear: precision agriculture that increases yields, conserves water, and ensures long-term sustainability, all while being cost-effective and easy to implement into existing farming operations.
With Insight, farmers can take control of their future and ensure the health of their farm in an ever-changing climate. Now, we will view the test flights that took place with the Insight prototype, as well as discuss setbacks and successes that occurred throughout the tests. Prior to the flights, Insight servo motors and linkages for the control surfaces were inspected to look for loose connection and damage that may have occurred in transit. Following this, the two 5S batteries were connected and secured in the nose to provide power. Once the receiver established a connection to Insight, the control surfaces were tested to confirm all were deflecting in the correct directions and at adequate magnitudes. At this point, the test was ready to begin. Following the conclusion of the first test, Insight was unable to achieve flight. This was the result of a number of issues, including weight, as well as inadequate landing gear wheels combined with a rough takeoff surface. Over the next week, the team worked to prepare Insight for a second test. In this time, a significant amount of weight was removed from Insight. Furthermore, new wheels were fitted and the internal layout was reconfigured, as well as any damages that were incurred from the first flight were repaired. These changes all culminated in the following second test. Due to the hard landing, some damage was sustained to the canard and front landing gear of Insight. However, this damage was repairable. In terms of flight performance, Insight flew excellently, exhibiting great stability with smooth and responsive controls as well as excellent stall characteristics. The second test showed that Insight is a capable platform to execute GreenWing's proposed solution to crop monitoring. We hope you enjoyed this presentation and thank you for watching.